to get their salaries at once. And in order for them to get their salaries, they have to use the low final exam. In that case, the faculty member may visit the school, leave the course to the registrar's office, so the registrar's office has voting dates. And in that manner, we found out that the method could be the cost in the so-called wrong dates, because the manual
Ayusin mo yung boobs mo. Ayusin mo yung boobs mo.
maybe it's just the LISS people, the registrar's office people can understand what I'm talking about. Because it's a little bit technical when it comes to the giving of grades.
Based on the sample analysis center,
Anong